Hi all, today I have a fantastic opportunity to show you around this newly built 2-bedroom semi-detached property situated on the popular Kennedy Road in Salford. You'll see as we go throughout it is in immaculate condition. So as we enter the front door, you're greeted with this large and welcoming entrance hallway. To the left here is the kitchen. So we've got a mix of wall and base units in here, some integrated appliances and space for some others. And from the large double glazed window at the front there, we are getting a lot of light in here. We have downstairs toilet just here. To the right of me we have storage, which comes to about there. And then we have this lovely large lounge complete with the large patio doors at the rear. Show you the garden here, which is really lovely. It's really quiet, if you can hear in the video. It's out back. You do get the sun in the afternoon here as well, as you can see the sun trying to come through just there. And then just an angle of the lounge from here, as you can see. Then I'll take you up the stairs. Okay, so just heading up. Got the 2 double bedrooms and the family bathroom up here. So to the left, which is the front of the house, is the 2nd bedroom, currently being used as a nursery. And again, I'll just spin around from this angle so you can see. Got space for a desk over there. See the rest of the room size just here as well. 2 really great size rooms. We have the family bathroom here. So 3-piece bathroom complete with a shower and half tiles around the back just there. And then finally we have the large master bedroom overlooking the rear of the property, and again is of a fantastic size. I will just spin around so you can see that here. If you would like to know any more information, please give us a call on 0161 707 4900. Thank you for watching.